Hello, welcome to this week's episode of Computer Terminology. Today we will be doing Term 2, ROM. ROM stands for Read-Only Memory. This is a type of non-volatile memory used in computers and other electronic devices. Data stored in ROM cannot be electronically modified after the manufacturer of the memory device has completed its code. ROM stores the instructions for the computer to start up when it is turned on again. It repeats this process every time the computer shuts down or restarts. This process can take anywhere from 5 to 30 seconds, sometimes even a minute, depending on the computer and the hardware that's installed inside of it. That does it for today's episode of Computer Terminology for ROM. If you have any follow-up questions or suggestions, go ahead and leave them in the comments. I will be more than willing and happy to answer any questions regarding this subject or any of the other subjects in this series. Go ahead and like this video if you liked it. Subscribe for future computer terminology videos. And please stay tuned for next week's episode for Terminology 3, RAM. Please check out the previous video for Terminology 1 on the left, and check out the playlist for the entire computer terminology series on the right. Thank you for watching.